This is the Pulse 45-watt universal travel adapter from Epicka. It's an all-in-one adapter that goes beyond just an AC outlet and allows you to charge up to 4 USB devices at the same time. So Epicka is one of the more popular brands when it comes to travel adapters, and they recently released this, the Pulse 45-watt universal travel adapter. I travel with a lot of electronics, so I always need to keep things powered or charged. This travel adapter helps me keep things organized and not have to worry about having the right plug, especially when I'm traveling abroad. So let's take a closer look at this thing. The Pulse is the newest series from Epicka. Their mission is to create a travel aesthetic that allows travelers to go about their journeys stress-free. This adapter is equipped with 4 different plug types that will fit in most outlets around the world. It has a Type A, which is common in the US. You can rotate the prongs, which will turn it into a Type I, which you'll find useful in Australia and China. There's the Type C plug, which is used around most of Europe. And finally the Type G for places like the UK and Ireland. Unfortunately, it won't work with Type D or Type M sockets, which you'll find in India and South Africa respectively. On the front is the universal AC socket that can accept plugs from most countries. I'm not going to run through the alphabet, but you can see here on the screen all the plugs that this travel adapter accepts. Along with the AC outlet, there are 4 USB ports, 2 USB-Cs and 2 USB-As. It supports Quick Charge 3.0 and PD 3.0 up to 45 watts. So you can basically charge 5 devices at the same time. There's a green LED indicator that lights up when the USB ports are powered. The 45 watts will be distributed among the USB ports depending on how many things you have plugged in and which ports you're using. For example, if you're only using one port, the USB-Cs output at 45 watts, or 18 watts if you're only using the USB-A port. It can charge my iPhone 15 Pro Max from 0 to 60% in about 30 minutes. And if you're using multiple ports, the power will be distributed among the ports. Here's a quick look at how the power is divided to each output. The fuse compartment is here in the back. And there's also a spot with a spare fuse, which is nice because you don't have to go hunting for a spare fuse since it's already held in the unit. There are safety shutters equipped in this adapter to avoid accidentally inserting a foreign object. They only open when pressed simultaneously by prongs of a plug. Just to be clear, this is not a voltage converter. So if you're using an AC powered device when traveling abroad, make sure that it supports dual voltage. The USB ports will work anywhere in the world since they're not subject to voltage limitations. Its dimensions are 2.9 inches tall, 1.96 inches wide, and 2.15 inches deep, and it only weighs 6.7 ounces. So it's easy to toss in your suitcase and even comes with this carrying bag. You can fit a couple cables in there to keep everything organized. The adapter is made from durable, fire-resistant materials and comes with a 2-year warranty. It comes in black or white and retails for around $30. Epicka sent this to me at the perfect time because I'm traveling around Asia starting next month. I have a travel adapter that I usually travel with. Where is that thing? Here it is. I actually bought this over 10 years ago and it works fine. Never really needed a reason to update it, but it is starting to show its age. Especially with only USB-A ports on it. Even if I'm traveling domestically, this adapter is still really useful because of the 4 USB ports. I can charge all of my camera gear and plug in my laptop to keep it powered. If you're interested in this travel adapter, I'll have it linked in the description. For now though, A, B, C, D. I just wanted you to know that I know my alphabet. LMNOP. See ya.